Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Modern Warfare 3. Whenever trying to play the game onto the Xbox, you got the error lobby not found, cause of error 10 with error code 2901. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you are using any kind of VPN, make sure you disconnect the VPN because it is one of the major causes behind the reason of lobby not found. After turning off the VPN, in next step, you need to head over to settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option network and internet. Over here, if you are using an Ethernet connection, make sure you turn it off and then turn on your Wi-Fi and then connect your system with Wi-Fi instead of an Ethernet connection. Once you done so, close it, restart your PC and then try to launch the game to fix out the issue of lobby not found. If this failed to work out, in next step I have a simple tip. Go ahead and restart your console, either it is PS5 or Xbox. Go ahead, turn it off, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and again restart your console and then hit the play option on the Xbox to fix out the issue of lobby not found. Another fix to fix lobby not found is by doing a hard reset of your router. To do so, you need to unplug all the cables attached to your router and then unplug it from the electricity also. After unplugging it, wait for 40 to 50 seconds to completely remove the static charge present onto your router. Once done, go ahead, reconnect all the cables and your router with your electricity and then connect your system with your Wi-Fi. Once connected, relaunch the game and hopefully this will fix out the issue of lobby not found with cause of error 10, error code 2901. Now if both these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step, make sure you are using same login ID with Xbox as well as Microsoft Store. Open up your store. Now in the store, click on your profile icon and note down the email ID that you are using while logging onto the store. Then open up your Game Pass, click on your profile icon and first of all sign out. Once you are signed out, now click on this option which is sign in. Now again click on the option sign in. Now while signing in, you need to make sure that the account you are going to sign in onto your Xbox as well as your Microsoft Store email ID must be same. If you have two different accounts, one for store and one for game, you keep on getting the issue of lobby not found. So make sure you are using the same account while using store as well as Xbox game bar, and once you are sign in with the same account, go ahead, hit the continue option, sign in and then relaunch your Modern Warfare 3 game, and this will completely fix out the issue of lobby not found with cause of error 10, error code 2901. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.